Hey, and welcome to Paytime with Robin and African Payment Solutions. I thought we'd talk today about the nature of the payments landscape, how there's competition with vertical integration, and the timing of the evolvement of online payments. So let's start with the nature of the landscape. It's made up of many payment gateways. MNOs like Safaricom with M-Pesa, Vodafone, Cash, MTN with Momo, and Airtel Money. African bank gateways, there's a number of banks that have their own. Some of them are white labeled and some of them are their own, like Ecobank, UBA, Zenith, KCB, INM, ABSA, formerly Barclays, and then Big Tech, which is making a play for the billion consumers, unbanked. So that's like Facebook, Instagram, the WhatsApp trio. The three of them are pretty powerful. PayPal, Google Pay, Square, and then Alipay, Samsung Pay, WeChat Pay. And then we've got the card associations, MasterCard, Visa, and China Unionpay are the main players. And then there's many independent payment gateway players in each jurisdiction or region, mainly fragmented. They only cover one or two countries. And there's a move towards consolidation with outside capital to achieve economies of scale and to facilitate interoperability. Like if you could have a single API and a cross-border user interface in a way that taps into the next billion consumers. Then my second topic is competing with vertical integration. To make it easier for the market and to achieve a higher level of adoption, there's kind of a blurring of the lines taking place. The payments environment is experiencing the addition of payments for companies that are providing a related service, like eCommerce or deliveries. So your pure play payments people are looking to diversify into things like ticketing, bookings, and marketplaces, and yet the other companies like the e-commerce companies, deliveries, and so on are facilitating their own payment methods. Then in terms of timing is my third topic today. Local is well competed, but it's quite rough and ready. It's still an open playing field in my opinion and not an exact science. There's a bit of a mad scramble for to make the sub-Saharan African region market work from a payments perspective. There's collaborations, there's partnerships, there's horizontal and vertical integrations. In my opinion, it's a perfect time with an understanding of the market for payments companies to achieve scale. I don't think there's a clear winner yet, and the opportunities, variables, and challenges will require a good local understanding and an adaptable, focused, and resilient approach. Because it's just not an exact science doing business across Africa. It's many different jurisdictions and countries with different requirements, different cultures, different levels of internet connectivity. All we can say is that it's predominantly mobile. So yeah, I hope that gives you another idea of the nature of the landscape, how we're competing, how these companies are competing with vertical integration, and the perfect timing for businesses that are trying to get in on the ground across the territory. That's all from me. If you're looking for payments at checkout, then give us a shout at africanpaymentsolutions.com. We look forward to receiving an inquiry and providing you with the key payment methods, the core markets being South Africa, Nigeria, and Kenya, and any of the mobile monies in the other markets would also be possibly interesting for players that are dealing with those territories. So have a fantastic day, and we'll chat again tomorrow. Thank you.